Introduction to characterization techniques. The human eyes have some limit to resolve 2 points that are 0.2 millimeters apart, called the resolution power of the human eye. However, by addition of lens or group of lenses, also known as the aided eye, the human eye is enabled for high resolution and can resolve 2 dots that are closer than 0.1 to 0.2 millimeters. Anything below 0.1 to 0.2 millimeters requires some sort of magnification. Therefore, to overcome these limitations of human eyesight, the microscope was developed and used as an efficient magnifying tool. The microscope has much higher resolution and has been used as a powerful tool for studying and characterizing materials. The microscope resolving power depends on the quality and number of lenses used, but also the light wavelength or source to produce image is highly considered. Therefore, microscope can be divided into 2 categories on the basis of source to produce image, that is, optical or light microscope and electron microscope. These both have the same working principle, but the major difference is the source. Optical microscope uses visible light as a source, while electron microscope uses focused accelerated electrons beam. Surface investigation of materials can be achieved through both microscopes. However, the resolution of optical microscope is very limited by diffraction properties. Instead, a much higher resolution data can be attained using electron microscopic methods. Because electrons have shorter wavelength than visible light and are more energetic than visible light photons, a beam of highly accelerated electrons are focused on the surface of materials, creating the image. Electron microscope is an imaging tool with much better imaging resolution compared to optical microscope, which uses the ultraviolet, visible, and infrared region of electromagnetic spectrum, from 190 to 1000 nanometers. Many techniques use electromagnetic rays in different ranges. For example, X-ray diffraction and infrared in Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy. In thermal analysis techniques, heat is used as source. Working principle of techniques are different as per requirement. Some techniques are explained here in detail.